So predominantly we make molecules, but then we also like to see what they do. I studied organometallic chemistry, so we were interested in trying to stabilise and support little pieces of carbon strung between two metal centres. And from that sort of synthetic idea, that then led us to some questions about how we might be able to make a change at one end of the molecule and see that effect propagate and be sensed out at the other. From starting off as a synthetic pot boiler, basically, I've gradually worked my way on through to now starting to do a little bit more physical chemistry in there as well. But we were working our way through a period of life and research where there was a little bit of a case of time for change. So we started off basically moving the entire lab over from the university in Durham. I wanted an environment where my research would be supported, where we'd be surrounded by really talented colleagues, but at the same time a place where the kids could grow and thrive. So we wanted it all. We were really quite greedy. The university's been fantastic. They went above and beyond to really understand what I needed in order to make the transition successful. What's really important to me is the support that comes through from my team. So the fact that the students here have got access to things like travel grants, the fact that there are opportunities for them to go and engage in international conferences. We've got this really wonderful network of international opportunity. I think they come in with this really fresh, inquisitive approach to things. You talk about the ideas, you talk about the hard problems, you talk about, well, why can't we? And then start to work out, well, why don't we? And it's those engagements that really sort of push you and drive you on. Well, international collaborations are really important to my work. So we make a lot of compounds here and we do a lot of electrochemistry, the studies, the spectroscopies, but in order to be able to build that out into the areas of application that we want to go, we work closely with colleagues in the UK, across Spain, into Germany, and so that opportunity to be really sort of situated in a geographical place where you can really interact with the world in the course of a working day. Well, I think we're going to continue this journey towards the integration of molecules with electronics, and if we're going to do that, we're going to need to really push on and further develop our surface science, and that's one of the exciting things about being here at UWA. We've got some phenomenal surface science kit to be able to really start bringing our molecules from solution and test bed structures, taking them on through toward device. I think that's where we'd really want to be pushing on for the next few years.